In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can create a layer style. First of all, we will unlock the layer, then go to the layer style. Here are the different options. We will choose the gradient overlay. There we have the options. Take the gradient which is your favorite. So we have to change the opacity as well. There is the angle we can generate in this way. We can also scale it up and down. I will scale it up. So there is the layer style we have made.